this here is the bit clamp. You're going to find this in a small bag, and in it, it has the bit clamp. It also has a bearing that's on the inside, and so it might be loose when you see it in the bag. This comes out like so. That's the small bearing that is going to hold the bit in place along with the actual bit clamp itself. So if these are loose, that's fine. All you do is you put it back in the center like so. And this is what you should see when you're ready to use it. You'll see that there are two magnets on the side, and you'll see how those work later on to snap this into place. To insert a bit, you're going to take the bit clamp and you're going to grab your bit, and you're going to avoid touching the tip of it, especially if it's a fine diameter end mill, like a 0.005 inches. You don't want to damage it. So to insert it, you're basically going to thread it through that hole. So here's the bit. We're just going to put it right through there. We're going to avoid touching the sides or the bit clamp or the bearing, and that's what you would see. Now this is ready to get inserted into the spindle. So you could also see it spins freely